Live streaming is on.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. We're going to get started here in a second. I just want to remind everyone today is primary day in New York State, so if you're able to vote, feel free to find your polling place and vote. So today, what we're going to work on is some more percentage stuff. A lot of times you might see a word problem. So as you can see today, I said shoe sale today, 25% off. So really, what does that mean? I guess it depends on a couple things. I'm going to start here. So we'll start with an easy one. If the shoe was $100 and it's 25% off, what does that mean? How much is the shoe going to cost? Well, we can do this a couple ways. Some of you might know offhand that 25% is a quarter. So, and $100, if you can put it in terms of the dollars, so if you take 25% or 25 cents from a dollar, you're going to have 75 cents or $75. But if we don't know that, basically, what we're going to do here is we can multiply the 100 times this 25% right here, which is 0.25. And when we're working in class on decimals, we know there's two zeros right here. So all we're going to do is we can move the decimal point 1, 2, and that's going to be $25 off. So then what you would do is subtract 100, that's the original price, minus 25, and those shoes are going to be $75. That's what 25% off of 100 would mean. Okay? So let's do another one. We'll do a really good deal here. Let's say there's 75% off, and they cost $100. Okay? So we're going to do the same thing here. So they're $100 times 75%, which is 0.75. And we know there's two zeros, so all we have to do is move the decimal point 2 places to the right. So 1, 2, and that's going to be $75 minus the 100. So those shoes are only going to be $25, and that's a really good deal. Okay. Let's do. We'll do one just so you get the idea. Shoes are still $100, and let's say they're 50% off. And that one, you guys, you basically probably could do that in your head. You know, 50% is half off. So if they're $100, a half of 100 is 50. But if you want to do it, we can do the same thing. We'll do 100 times 0.50. Once again, we're going to move the decimal point 2 places to the right. That's going to be 50. And then we subtract the 100 minus the 50, and your shoes are only going to be $50, which is a really good deal. Okay? Let's do another one. So say your shoes are $100, and they're 33% off. Okay? That's a third off. So 33, 33, and 33, in all intents and purposes, equals 100. It'd be 33.33, but we'll do this a long way. So we'll do 100 times 0.33. And once again, move the decimal 2 places, 1, 2, That's going to give you $33. And if you subtract 100 minus 33, it's going to give you $67. Okay. So a lot of this, you guys, is just converting the percent, whatever it is. So say if they're 40% off, that's going to be 0.40. If they're 30% off, that's going to be 0.30. So when you convert a percentage to a decimal, you just put the decimal in front of the number. So 0.40 is the same as 40%. 0.30 right here is the same as 30%, just like 0.40 is the same as 40%. And we went over a little bit of that last week. Okay, let's do one that's a little bit maybe trickier. Okay, let's say I have one here for you guys. Let's say shoes are $50. And they're 20% off. Okay. So this one we don't have the hundreds. We can't move the zeros. What you would do is do 50 times 0.20, 20%. So if we do 50 times 0.20, 0, 0, 0, we're going to get $10. So what that means is those shoes that were $50, if they're 20% off, that equals $10. So we're just going to do 50 minus 10, and your shoes are going to be $40. And all you did is you multiply the total price, which is 50, times whatever percent they're off. This is 20.20. They just multiply the price times whatever percentage they're off. Okay, let's do one more. Let me see here. Let's say they're $75 and they're 40% off. Okay. One thing I want you to think about, if they were 50% off, that would be half. And half of 75 would be $37.50. So we know it's going to be a little bit less than $37. It just gives you kind of a frame. So if you come up with the answer, it doesn't seem right, you can kind of get the visual that, oh, okay, that doesn't seem right, because if it was 50% off, it'd only be $37. So you can really look at what the percentage is so you get an idea. Okay, so let's do this. So we're going to do $75, and they're 40% off, which is 0.40. So we're going to do 0 times 5 is 0. 0 times 7 is 0. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 7 is 28. Plus the 2 is going to be, so they're going to be $30 off. So you're going to do 75 minus 30, and those shoes are going to be $45. So on a $75 pair of shoes, if they're 40% off, they're going to be $45. Okay. What I'm going to do is I will post this live lesson, and then I'll go ahead and give you guys some practice with word problems. about multiplying, percentage. And just remember, kind of when we did the decimal lesson, that 25% is similar to a quarter. So that's 25 cents. And that's like 1/4 of a dollar. And if we have 50%, that's half a dollar. So if it's like $100 and it's 50% off, it's half off. 25% would be a quarter off. And then if you have 75%, 0.75, that's 3/4 off. So if you can bring it back to money, sometimes it's real easy to kind of visualize how much the price is going to be. Okay? I hope you guys have a good day. I'm going to do my science lesson at 10:30. I'll go ahead and send that link out. And for those of you who are going to be in science, I'll see you then. And also, I'm doing social studies at 11 o'clock today. So remember, if you're registered to vote, today's the New York State primary. Please go out and vote if you can. And I will see you guys soon. Have a nice day.